how to use Drizly for alcohol delivery. So it happens that Drizly has officially shut down all operation, and its parent company Uber has consolidated alcohol delivery service directly into the Uber Eats. So Drizly doesn't run, so you have to use Uber Eats. If you don't have an Uber Eats account, you could simply use the Drizly Credentials and you will be able to access as well. So what you need is here, install Uber Eats, open the app, register yourself using the same account as your Drizly. Then you just want to make sure to go to the very home page, and you could just go ahead and select your address first of all. After which you can just go ahead and search the item, that is alcohol, right? So you just have to go ahead and search for it. After which you want to make sure to go and explore the store. Let's just go with the first one. You could simply start adding the item. After you've added the item, you go to the view cart section and you just want to make sure to go ahead and proceed to checkout. And now, as per the alcohol delivery, you will have to provide your ID. So whenever or when the delivery is out, you will have to hand out the ID and make sure the one who has ordered the item has to be the one to receive the item as well. And that is basically how you'll be able to deliver or use Drizly for alcohol delivery. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.